welcome back to the channel. Today I have something so exciting for you guys. It is literally the easiest way to update a piece of furniture to make it look more high-end. Just give it, I feel like it can go country chic. I feel like it can be farmhouse, that French Victorian look. I like to call this more of a French Victorian look. I don't know if it's because of the distressed gold look, but I absolutely love it. I've done it with a few pieces at our lake home and it has done wonders for those pieces of furniture. What you're going to need is simple green cleaner, rub and buff. I have two different colors. I believe it comes in 3 different colors. There's a silver one as well, which I do not have, but I think that would look gorgeous also. There is the Goldleaf, which is my favorite. I love the Goldleaf color. It's that really rich, more kind of yellowish gold. And then there's also another beautiful color, which I have, which is the antique gold. It's more of that rose gold color, a little bit more subdued. I feel like that's so pretty as well. A couple rags or washcloths, a magic eraser, and what you want to do to start off is any piece of furniture that you have, you want to clean it with that simple green. It really gets all the dirt and the grit cleaned off so that you have a nice clean surface. These nightstands were already a color that I loved. It was an off-white. I think it looks really pretty. It's perfect for our master bedroom at the lake house. So I didn't refinish the color. However, if you are refinishing a piece of furniture and you are changing the stain color or the paint color, you want to use that simple green first, get all of that gunk off of there, then sand your piece of furniture, wipe it back down with simple green again. After you've done the simple green, you want to go in with a wet rag and kind of wipe off all the simple green and extra residue that's on there. Now, once your piece of furniture is repainted or you've finished wiping it down with the simple green, we go in with the rub and buff. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna put a little bit on your finger and you're literally gonna go around the outside of the furniture. So any place that has a detail that you want to stand out or look a little bit more bold, you're gonna add it there. Now, once this is on, it's very hard to get off. So less is more in this situation. You can always go back and add a little bit more. I have found that sometimes if you want to remove some of the gold that you've added, you can take a magic eraser, wet that, and rub off what you don't like. There were a few spots where I went off of the outer edge and I didn't want it on another part of the furniture, so I took the magic eraser and just kind of buffed it out. Once I have added all the rub and buff that I want on there, what I like to do is I go in with a dry rag and just kind of buff it in the best that I can, because sometimes I will get a little chunky spot on there. So if you just take a dry rag and kind of buff it in a little bit, it makes it look a little bit more real, gives it that antique Victorian look. I promise you, this really is as easy as it sounds and looks, and it gives a whole nother dimension to your furniture. I absolutely love the way our nightstands turned out in our bedroom. And I adore our kitchen buffet, and we refinished that buffet and it looks 1,000 times better. Another thing you can do that really adds a wow or pop to pieces of furniture is adding a new knob or handle. On our buffet that we refinished into a mini bar, I did change those handles and I absolutely love these. They are a glass handle and knob, and the cuts in them are very ornate, so when the light hits it, it just kind of sparkles and shines, and it is perfect for this little mini bar buffet. If you are not into gold, there is also a silver one, and I think silver would look amazing on so many pieces as well. Now you have a beautiful gold French Victorian piece. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.